this video, we will see how to create and share poll on Facebook page. Facebook polls can be created only on Facebook pages and Facebook groups. Facebook polls on Facebook profile have been discontinued. So let's see how it is done. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. First, you need to be signed into your profile and go to your Facebook page where you want to create the poll. You cannot view the poll under regular post option. Some features on Facebook are only visible under Publishing Tools or Facebook Creator Studio. So, let's click Publishing Tools here or on the top bar of this Facebook page. And next, click Create button to view options to post in the pop-up window. Here, click this three-dotted More icon to view poll option and next click on Poll tab. So let's create a simple poll. What is the best graphics software to use for a beginner? Option 1, Adobe Photoshop, and option 2, Adobe Illustrator. We can manage or add images to these options from your computer or choose from Facebook image library. We can have the poll for a day or a week or forever or custom period of time. We can also remove the poll with this button. Next, once we are done with creating the poll, we can share the poll right away or schedule it for a future date or backdate it to a time in the past or just save the draft for future posting. Let's share the poll right away to view it on the Facebook page timeline. And done. This is how the poll will look to visitors on the Facebook who can give their opinion by selecting either of the option. I hope you liked watching this Facebook video tutorial. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.